Machiavellian is Illuminati all through your body.
Summertime, top off. Try not to get your head knocked off.
Nipsey Hussle and suspected gunman discussed snitching before fatal shooting, witness says. Los Angeles court transcripts show rapper Nipsey Hussle and the man charged with killing him had a conversation about snitching shortly before the rapper was shot. In grand jury transcripts unsealed Thursday, a witness testifies that the rapper told suspect Eric Holder of rumors that Holder had been snitching about the Rollin' 60s gang, and said he should take care of it. The witness, Hussle's friend Herman Douglas, testified that he, Nipsey Hussle and Holder had all been affiliated with the gang at some point. The woman who drove Holder from the scene also testified she heard the men talk about snitching. Authorities said Holder shot and killed Nipsey Hussle on March 31st as he stood outside his Los Angeles clothing store. He has pleaded not guilty to killing the rapper.
He shot Nipsey Hussle with 2 guns. Eric Holder asked Nipsey Hussle, had he ever snitched? Did hear discussing the whole snitch allegation and things like that. Eric Holder's girlfriend, the getaway driver, also said that she saw Nipsey Hussle and she got excited because she wanted a chance to take a selfie with him.
There are certain things that are undeniable. For instance, why a lot of sinister people use Vortex math within their complex schemes. What is Vortex math? Vortex math is a discovery by the great scientist Nikola Tesla. This information and knowledge had been in existence well before Nikola Tesla embarked on it, but his research was monumental. 369 are the principal vibrations within life. They say that you can manifest positive or negative outcomes with using 369. So let me give you a small example, and I hope that you look into Vortex math a little more seriously after this video. Vortex math is 3, 6, and 9. Those are the properties, and I will explain why after I break this down. Nipsey Hussle and Eric Holder, right? Their court transcripts. The date happened to be on a Thursday, which is the 5th day of the week. Allegedly, the reporting from CBS, and you can look at my video a little more extensively, was at 5:53. Now, within Vortex math, you always want to add or times so that you come up with a proper singular digit. There are only 9 digits in existence, and that would be 1 through 9. Every number can be broken down to one of those prime numbers. So, with that being said, right, 5 plus 5 plus 3 would be 13. 1 plus 3 would be 4. Okay, so here we go. Here's our 4. Now, that plus the 5th day of the week would equal a 9. You see that? Thursday is the 5th day, 5:53 p.m. You get 4. 5 plus 4 is a 9. Now let's break down the actual date. 06. Okay, 2/7, 2019. You get a 6 here. 2 plus 7, you get a 9 there. 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9. You can either do 2 plus 10, which is a 12, that equals a 3, or 2 plus 19, which equals 21, and that's going to come out to being a 3. And you say, wait, that doesn't seem correct, but it is. So now you're getting your 693 sequence as opposed to your 369, which this would be the accurate sequence, 693, and I will show you how. Basically, you have your 3, which is the starting point. Remember, everything goes from right to left, not left to right. Then you have the 6. It goes that way. Then from there, you get the 9. Okay? Which is an L and which is a 7. You see that? 7 is the prime number of God. That's the G. When you look at the square and the compass within Masonic society, they always have a situation like this with a G. You got to understand the square and the compass. 369 is the property to everything. So it's what goes around comes around. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. You see the sequence. It's a triangular sequence. This is where we get our Trinity from. Now, allegedly, Eric Holder had 2 guns. The transcripts go on to say that Nipsey questioned Eric Holder about snitching on the rolling 60s. You do 2 times 60, you get 120. 120 is a 3. 1 plus 2 plus 0 equals 3. You understand that? So now, when you break that down, you say, let's come across this way. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. You get your same scheme here. You get your same scheme. That is the yin and the yang. You know, what goes around comes around, like we said. The oasis. So you got the circle with the S in the middle, so to speak, right? And you have the circle up here and you have the circle down here. This half is black, this half is white. If you notice, if you break it down, this is actually a number 6. And this is actually a 9. You say, well, John Mack, where is the number 3 at within this understanding? Well, considering that there are 3 phases to every human being, the only number or digit divisible, the only number divisible by 6 and 9 is 3. That's it. So this in the middle, if you notice, has these bumps inside of it, right? You see those bumps? These are what you would call access points. This right here in the middle would be the apex. So you have positive, you have negative, and you have neutral. Neutral is the line that meets with the other line. You understand? It's the one center divider in the middle. Division. That's what this whole game is about, creating division. Okay? So when you want to break down anything in life, use Vortex math. Check out Nikola Tesla. You'll get more information from that. I just wanted to show you a small and minor breakdown of why I think this case is, fishy. Peace and blessings.